Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to Imqiraas Tech. Today we are going to talk about Vivo X30. But before the start of the video, as usual, we are requesting you please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon and check out our other channel and website. Links are in the description. So let's start this video. Friends, Chinese giant Vivo launched its X30 after the successful launch of X series smartphone recently. The company seems very keen to launch different smartphones of the same series. Vivo X30 will feature 6.43 inches IPS LCD display screen that will provide you full HD plus resolution of 1080 by 2160 pixels. As for the chipset is concerned, the Vivo's X30 will powered by a powerful chipset that is called Snapdragon 845. Well, this is very competitive chipset that will ensure good performance. The upcoming smartphone Vivo X30 is packed with 4GB of RAM. This 4GB of RAM will give you fast execution of tasks. The internal storage of the smartphone will be 64GB or 128GB. Further, the Vivo is introducing a micro SSD card slot of the X30 to increase the memory status of the smartphone. The dual rear camera setup is placed in the same shell. The primary sensor is going to be 20 megapixel while the secondary sensor of the X30 is 16 megapixel. The selfie is coming with 16 megapixel. On the rear of the handset, there is an LED flash. If you are a game founder, then the X30 has a built-in Adreno 630 GPU that will ensure the smooth running of games. The battery is expected to 4000 mAh that will provide the phone with enough power supply. The X30 will equipped with a rear fingerprint scanner that will give you secure option to protect your data. This is one of the best handset that will fulfill all basic qualities that you expect in a phone. X30 is the best choice for the users if he is searching of a handset that will give him a quality handset at a reasonable price. The upcoming phone Vivo X30 will make its repute like